Hey guys, so today was a tough day of trading. It was a really tight range day, and we had an interesting thing today. So today we had our first phantom range in a long time. Someone did say July 28th was a phantom range. But so what is a phantom range? So a phantom range is essentially when our actual physical price action intraday does not match what the exchanges are saying. So what happened today is our actual lower day was, sorry, it was actually 440.86. However, if you go over to the daily range here, you'll see our low of day at the top there says 439.97. So what does that mean? So basically what generally happens here is that the dark pools, and for those of you who don't know what dark pools are, basically it's big money behind the scenes. So a dark pool print is essentially some big money guy with millions of shares or dollars that's buying or selling. Instead of, they can't do it on the regular exchange because it would just cause too much volume and issues, so they do a dark pool print, and sometimes they make it through like they did today, and then it adjusts the daily range. So if we look at the data though, outside of that, overall, we did hold the 8 and 50 EMA support, but this 443.1, we just could not push through that supply level, and we still are in a range, and we're still in our diamond pattern here. Our diamond pattern resistance is right there, that 443.1 tomorrow. So, and that's also the blue line here, the daily 20 EMA. If bulls can break through 443.1, then I'm really going to be looking for this 445.9 demand. However, I would not be surprised to still see us reject and come lower. Going over to futures here, same thing. We have that demand we put in at 43.83. Since then, we've moved up. We took back the 8 EMA. We did hard reject at the 50 EMA and close right at it, and we could not get through or to the 20 EMA. There's a pretty high possibility we could see a double top off 44.44 and immediately drop back down. However, if we continue to push, futures has an upside resistance at 44.61, and our next major resistance is 44.76, which is that supply from the 23rd. One interesting thing for me intraday today was 44.47. That was a major resistance area today on the 15-minute chart. We touched that level 6 times today, and every single time we had a hard double top or a big wick rejection. So that is pretty much right here with that 50 EMA. So that is our resistance right now. Going over to the Qs, we did not have a phantom print, but the Qs can have phantom prints, but we just didn't get one today. So we did put a new demand in today, right here off of Friday's candle at 361.95. With that, same thing here. You can see we have our double demand and our triple supply here. We did not quite really get to any sort of major resistance, but we held the 8 and 50 EMA, but we could not, much like SPY, break through or close over the 20 EMA. There's a chance that this could hard reject here, come lower, and put a supply in off this level. However, if the bulls push through, then our first resistance is 369, and then we have 370.5. Going over to the VIX here, you can see that what we did here is we came under our demand at 15.97. We are officially under the 20 and 8 EMA. However, you can see we have our double supply up here and our double demand down here. We have not quite broken through, which is 14.8 is our next major support. If we break through 14.8, then we're looking for 14.41 supply. We are in our downward channel, but if you can see overall, it's a slow burn up on the VIX still. We do have jolts at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and that should bring some movement to the markets. Otherwise, we'll have to see if we can get some better range today. Today was one of the first times in a pretty long time that we actually had a small, tight range with not really a ton of movement. So I hope you guys had a good day trading today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.